So, do you know what we're learning about? I'm gonna give you a clue. It starts with C. Then, guess it. So you have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're learning about construction site vehicles. So, we're gonna learn about construction site vehicles. So now, because this is a dump truck. And also, I will get more construction site vehicles. And if they're broken, then they fix it. They can fix anything. The construction site vehicle and earth. They can make anything. Like houses. Did you see the spot on our video that we made? Because this was very fun. Remember when we did that? So they can build a house. They can put dirt in here for the garden. Is this a nice house that construction site vehicles made? Say yes or no. You have to choose yes or no. Yes is here. Yes is here and no is here. Which will you pick? Just point the point. Just point it like this. So, so let's go and see another vehicle. So the next vehicle starting on here. It's gonna make anything to make any kind of thing. So let's make a vehicle. But this is another kind of way for a dump truck. Because this is what it is. And when it's like that, it doesn't come out. It does this. That's dump truck again. So it's fun and from this kind of way. I'll give you a clue what we're talking about next. It grabs dirt, put it in the dump truck like that. What do you think it is? Say it. Say whatever. You can subscribe. You can make another video like this with your mom or dad. You can take it or anything. Emphasize people, but you cannot do to anything that's dangerous. It might crash it when something is falling down like this. And then when it's breaks, the construction site vehicles can make it back again. Cause this. So which construction? So guess what it is? So you have 2 choices to figure out: excavator or bulldozer. So pick your choice. So pick your choice. You think it's excavator? So you got it right. So if you say excavator, then you got it right. So let's now do. It's the excavator. It can make anything like this. This is just the cardboard lab of the excavator. We'll show you what an excavator is from the parts of it. So you haven't looked. Because it's an excavator, but we only made a dump truck. So which thing are we going to talk about next? A dump truck or a bulldozer? So choose your choice. You think bulldozer? So you got the answer right. So bulldozers can push anything like this. because I'm using it with my hand and to push it, because we can make a push like a bulldozer. But this is a dump truck. And if we're learning about any of the construction site vehicles, but we're gonna do this. We're gonna talk about Tetris, that game, in after this video. So and make sure that you subscribe for it. Leave a like down